and Neil. Shout out Dog Pound. Let's get it going.
Shout out Fight Flicks. Let's get it popping.
The rules. No hitting behind the head. When I say break, break. No low blows. Keep it clean. Touch gloves if you want. Fighter, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Yep. Let's get this shit.
Hit him. Better hit him. You got him. Rip too. Bust his motherfucking ass. Fuck it, man. You got him. You gotta hit him. Fucking let up either. Fuck his fucking ribs. Stay on top. Get him. Put your hand too. Don't rest until you hit him. Hit him. Damn it.
Watch the back of the head.
Where his fucking ribs out. Wear him out. Yeah. Quit fucking playing.
Come on, defend yourself.
Fucking playing.
Watch the back of the head.
His ribs are wide open. Hit him. What's wrong with you? He's fucking hitting him. You gotta hit him, man. This ain't playing. Don't wrestle. Hit his fucking ass.
5, 4, 3. Time. Fighter, you ready?
Yep.
Fighter, you ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Face, Jay. Playing.
Back of the head.
Ribs are wide open. God damn.
Man, boy. Come on, man. You got to defend yourself.
Get the roll, Jay. Top. You gotta get top. You gotta get top. Okay, you gotta get top. Now you got it. He's gonna bow his head up. Give me this fucking rib, man. Come on, Jay. Jaquan, get the fuck up, man.
Come on, defend yourself. Come on. Hey. Done.
That shit new. Fuck that. God damn.
Just fighting, goddamn.
Calling it. You ready? Come to the middle. Winner by stoppage.
You'll fight both of us.